Welcome, my young friends. I am BG Wakade, founder of Export Guidance Center. International trade is offering many opportunities, especially for young entrepreneurs. International trade consists of exports and import. Export has a wide field. It is challenging, highly competitive, yet rewarding. So my request to all young entrepreneurs to enter into export to succeed. In export, selection of export product is an important step. We are going to discuss this aspect today. There are many products which has export potential. Agriculture, allied products, food products, textile products, chemical products. So you have wide choice for selection of export product. How do you select product for export? I am going to discuss with you with a case study of a person who was associated with our company, Export Guidance Center. He underwent the training. After completing his education on higher secondary, he started a small business of gift articles with corporates. In that, there were certain leather articles, namely leather wallets, purses, belts, keychains, etc. He developed interest in leather articles and started working on it with interest. He studied the supporting manufacturers because he was a trader. He developed certain sources to manufacture the articles and he interacted on internet through EP Council and judged the demand of international market. On that basis, he manufactured those articles, sent initially certain samples, got approval. Thereafter, he started his export in a small way to basically advanced countries, European countries, USA, Canada. Then he did the innovation in the sense the raw material which you are going to use was in the form of leather sheets. He has observed that certain products require small area, small pieces of leather. Therefore, he sourced from the market the cutouts which were imported from Italy at a lower price and which were useful for manufacture of such articles. Thereby, the cost was reduced. He was able to become competitive and the innovation which he has done helped him. Now, he has expanded his sales. He has concentrated only on leather articles because that was his point of interest. Now, he is a successful exporter. Young man, he has fulfilled his dreams. He has purchased a flat in Mumbai. He is having a car with family. And thus, in short, the product selection is number one. We should have deep interest in the product. With deep interest, we will be able to work on that product continuously. Second is deep study regarding the product manufacturer, costing, etc., packaging to suit international market. Fourth is innovation. He has kept on innovating, changing adaptability to meet international market, and consistent efforts with determination, which helped him. So therefore, this is a guide to you for selection of product for international market. Wish you all the best.